Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Good morning, Loyalty Squad. In today's smoothie, I am going to be working with my spinach. We're going to put in a bunch of green spinach. Next, I'm going to also be adding in my avocado. If you have a large avocado, that's fine. Next, we're going to be working with one pear. Take out the seeds and the pear. Next, I'm going to be adding in 2 cups of fresh pineapples. If you have frozen, that's good too. And lastly, I'm going to be adding in 1 cup of my mango. And then I'm going to add in 1 pint of my fresh water. Spring water, alkaline water, that's fine. Okay. And now we're going to blend this up. And today I'm going to put it in my big mama cup. Okay, that's my breakfast, and the rest I'll have throughout the day for lunch up until dinner time. Okay, all right, and there goes my smoothie for the day. And there you have it, you guys, this wonderful, powerful weight loss smoothie that's going to have you burning 30 pounds in 30 days. So you guys, I want to thank you for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Share these wonderful video recipes with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell on your way out, okay? So until the next time, you guys, I will see you in the next video. Now, if you are living under a rock and have not already been visiting or purchasing from my personal eBay store, then I don't know what else to tell you, because you are definitely losing out with these wonderful herbal honeys that help men and women in the bedroom. Well, I have some awesome honeys that will boost your body up. That's great for the libido. That's great for the testosterone. That's great to strengthen your stamina, change the mood, increase the sperm count. It helps with that powerful stamina, that stand tall longevity. So check out my eBay store for these herbal honeys that's going to help you in the bedroom and along with your play. All right, this is great for both men and women, and it comes with so many wonderful benefits. Check down below in my eBay store, and when you check out the item, check in the description where it will tell you so much about the item, what you should expect from it. Okay, you're not going to see these things on YouTube. You're not going to see anybody else promoting this. This is original, and it's only seen on this channel. Okay, so like I said, visit down below in my eBay store. The links will be down in the description box of this video, and you will be able to have access to all of these awesome items in my store. All right, so until the next time, you guys, have fun. Okay, and I will see you in the next video.